Get those likes up, ladies and gentlemen. Get those likes up, ladies and gentlemen.
Jordan, move! 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 Move, Jordan! Go, get out of the way! Get out of the way!
Java, get out of here. Get
out of here! I told you all to short! I told you all to short! Are you moon boys? We're getting so pumped yesterday! Yes, I'm gonna need a forklift! Yeah, I am! All you moon boys! I told you to short! I told you I was a fake pump! Told you!
Timer's ticking. Last chance to hit those likes. Let's get the party started.
I told you we were gonna dump. I told you, all you moon boys were so bullish yesterday. I told you, Jordan told you, we were both gonna dump. Even Jordan was bearish. Come on. Come on. Stop getting bullish off one can. Stop getting bullish off. Stop getting bullish off one candle. You guys got so bullish. You guys got so horny off one bullish candle. Freaking idiots. Stop longing the top. See you guys. I'll be back in the next short. See ya. Someone said, damn, look at those figures. No wonder why Java gets woman. What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? What's going on, Craig? What's up, Denise? What's up, Drunk Bear? What's up, John? What's up, Dan? What's up, Dimitri? Hamilton? All the familiar names. What's going on, everyone? Bitcoin dumped. All right. I mean, that wasn't obvious that was going to happen or anything. There we go. All right. Bitcoin comes back down. Another bear market fake dump. Okay. I thought Bitcoin was building a big base up here at 31K. What happened to the base? I don't know. But we did do the bearish scenario back down to the downside. The head and shoulders pattern that we talked about this morning did dump back down to the downside. All right. So there we go. A lot of people are calling this a Bart Simpson pattern. If you want to call it a Bart Simpson pattern, you do you. You do you. Hold up. Let me bring up my good friend Bart here. Hope everyone had a fantastic day, besides Bitcoin coming back down. Hope you guys had a fantastic day. If you did short Bitcoin up here, let me know if you did. I did. It was a good day for me. Hope everyone had a good day as well. If you didn't, if you're a hodler, it is what it is. It's not, you just get more time to accumulate. It's not the end of the freaking world. But we did see Mr. Bart Simpson start to come back down. Let me actually put Bart Simpson's head right on the pattern here. There we go, man. We got the Bart Simpson right down to the downside. Head and shoulders pattern right down to the downside. Hit the like button up for Bart Simpson to the downside, man. Let me know, let me know, let me know. All right. Miller said, put on your driving helmets. Gung go deep down. We got... I don't know how deep we're gonna go, but let's talk about it. Let's talk about it. Bart Simpson came on and hit us to the downside. So classic Bart Simpson. Shout out to Bart Simpson. Let's freaking get it, man. All right. Let's come back over here. There we go. There we go. There we go. All right. So that's that. Copyright infringement. I don't think that's a copyright infringement. You see how crazy and weird that Bart Simpson guy looks? Look at how weird he looks. All right. Horny is New Jordan's favorite word. Replace vector. Yes. Horny is my new favorite word. It's always been my favorite word, to be honest. All right. So what are we looking at here? So Bitcoin dropped all the way back down to about 29,300. All right. Looks like it's getting a little bit of a bounce back up here. Just could be a short rally to kind of reset some of these indicators, right? The hourly RSI is oversold. Stock RSI is oversold. You probably see a short-term rally back up, right? Nothing goes down in a straight line. Little short-term rally to come back up, and then we kind of go from there, to kind of see what we have to do. Now, if we look back up here, Java never got liquidated. We're going to keep Java's liquidation price up here in case we ever come back and test this in the near future, which I do think we will. I do think we will come back up here and test this in the near future. But let's find out. Let's find out. Now, this head and shoulders pattern, we did have a breakdown target of this, and we actually smashed it way lower than actually faster and lower than I thought this was going to come down. But there you go. We had to move back down. Measure move was like 30,500, but you came significantly lower than that. Now, it's not all doom and gloom for the bears. For the bulls, if we go back and look, we did break the 50 EMA. All right. Oh my gosh.
Everybody panic. We're going to zero.
Oh my gosh. We go to zero. All right. It's not all doom and gloom. So just like we said. What was that? Just like we said. All right. Now that my grandma was asking me how to buy Bitcoin up here.
Jordan, how do I buy some Bitcoin?
It did come back down and dip below 30K. All right. So if you didn't short, let me know in the chat if you DCA'd a little bit today. Did you DCA a little bit in the chat? Let me freaking know. Let me freaking know. Where can we long the Bitcoin dominance? It's a good question, man. I am all for longing that Bitcoin dominance for sure. That's why most of it is Bitcoin and Ethereum. Even though Ethereum's getting, I guess, actually Ethereum's up against Bitcoin the last 24 hours. I do have to give Ethereum some credit. It's not all hope lost for the bears, or sorry, for the bulls. We did break that 50 EMA on the 4-hour time frame, right? But look what we're doing right now. This is sort of, I guess, some amateur hopium for the bulls. Is we did have this downtrend of resistance coming down like this, right? And if you look at where we wicked to, we wicked and we actually came back down and back tested that area. It looks like we're getting a short-term rally back up to the upside. Now, just like you shouldn't be longing up here, I wouldn't recommend shorting all the way back down here unless you're kind of a degenerate. If you're a degenerate, go ahead. Put your longs down here, man. I know this guy's going to be longing down here. I long Bitcoin at 32,200. I long Bitcoin at 32,200. Yeah, I got liquidated, but it's okay. I still have some money. I still have some money in my account. So I'm gonna sort. I just put it in sort now at 25,300. Yeah, the market's moving down. It's clearly going back down to 10K now. I wasn't bullish yesterday or anything. I got some money left. Let me sort Daft out here after we've already dropped 5%. Let me sort. We know that guy. That guy. There's always that guy, and he's that guy. We know that guy's shorting right now. Don't short the lows, don't long the tops, man. I mean, you guys know how it works at this point. We are getting a nice bounce up here right now. Let's see if we can get back over the 50 EMA. We did drop below the 50 EMA in the 4 hours. So that's kind of what I'm watching here. in the short term to see if we can get back over that on this little rally. That's kind of the bull hopium, I guess, right now. You got a couple indicators bottomed out, right? 4-hour stocks are bottomed out. But, you know, like we saw in the past, I mean, you can be topped out or bottomed out for a significant period of time before coming back up. Now, if you look at the 4-hour time frame, everyone's favorite thing, the vector candle. Let's get it in the chat, man. I know you guys love the vector candles. We do have a red vector candle right here, which Bitcoin could certainly come back up and retake before it continues inevitably lower. Right, we are in a bear market, so I'm going to take any pump with a short-term bearishness. That's why I was, you know, bearish the last couple of days, despite everyone being bullish. We come back down. Now we're back down into our range, right? Now we're back down in this range between 30,600 and 28,600. So I mean, at the end of the day, right? We're just back in this stupid range that I hate. Okay, that's where we're back below. But now, right? Now we're back into this range, man. And once again, right? If you were feeling FOMO, let me do a quick rant alert here real quick.
Rant alert.
Okay? And if you guys want to hate on the vector candles, let's go back and see how the vector candles played out. For all you guys being haters for the vector candles the last few days, they seem to be playing out pretty well. All you vector candle haters, right? The whole way up, I was telling you guys, we have vector candles forming all the way back down here. You guys are going, vector candle sucks. We're going back up to the upside. We're going back up to the upside. Guess what? Bitcoin came all the way back down and filled every single one of those vector candles, okay? Every single one of these yellow vector candles, it came right back down and filled every single one, okay? So, for all you vector candle haters out there, here's what I have to say to you, all right? Here's what I have to say to you, man. Come on, man. Ha! Ha! Come on, man. It's too easy out here. Just do the opposite of what everyone thinks in the chat. All right, 29,932. No, I do think we get a short-term rally, maybe back up a little bit higher before we possibly come back down to the downside. All right? Holy moly, man. Sorry. That's my Ferrari. No, wait. No, yeah, that's my Ferrari. Sorry, I got the key. Hold on. I got the key. I was just listening to that song, the Future song. Hold on. Let me turn it off. There we go. Sorry, Jordan. Sorry. Continue your stream. Thank you, Jabba. You don't need to be flexing your... Jabba! You don't need to be flexing your cars right now, man. Stop flexing your cars. We know you got a massive short in today. Stop. You can't hear anything anyways? Who is this idiot outside? Turn off your freaking car, man. I just keyed that motherfucker. There we go. It's going to go off again. Watch. Anyways. All right. So, I mean, we came back down and took the vector candle in the daily time frame too. All right. So that's kind of that. You know, guys, I know you hate me for being bearish, but I can't, I can't, the chart looks, I don't know what to tell you, man. I can't get bullish until this daily stock RSI comes back down, man. I can't. I'm going to continue to say the same thing over and over and over again, right? Continue to say the same thing over and over and over again until this comes back down and resets, all right, which I have a feeling it's going to come due right now. I can't get bullish. Now, that doesn't mean I'm long-term bearish, okay? Doesn't mean so. Let's go look at my fractal, man. Let's go look at my fractal. We're going to call this Wyckoff fractal number 2, all right? Wyckoff fractal number 2, all right? And before we get into our Wyckoff fractal, man, can I just say one thing?
Rant alert.
For everyone that was looking to FOMO in yesterday because you feel like you were going to miss out, okay? If you feel like you're going to miss out on this because Bitcoin pumped, now's your chance again. Bitcoin's below 30K. But guess what? Here's what we're going to say again.
Rant alert.
Right? For everyone that wanted to FOMO at 32K yesterday, are you going to buy now that Bitcoin's back below 30K? Right? Probably not. Why? Because we had a red candle today, and now you're bearish again, right? But you're bullish when the price goes up, right? You're getting your chance again. I'm telling you, you're getting your chance below 30K. I'm telling you right now, I do not think Bitcoin's going to be below 30K for an extended period of time. Do I think we're going lower? Yes, but I do not think we're going to be down here for very long. So you're getting your chance again. Are you going to take advantage of it, or you're not going to take advantage of it? Okay? Because everyone wanted to FOMO in yesterday. Are you going to take advantage of it, or are you not going to take advantage of it? If that's not your plan, if you're waiting till lower, stick to it. But for everyone that wanted to FOMO in yesterday, rethink your strategy, man. Buy when the prices are going down, not when the prices are going up. So simple, man. Come on.
Rant alert.
Come on, man. D. Kennedy said, Tino and those vector candles felt great to short. Yes, it did. It felt unbelievable, man. It felt unbelievable. It's a good hedge against, you know, a lot of people look at, shorting a coin that you own for a longer term hold is sort of unethical and unmoral. It's not. It's a hedge. It's a hedge to make money while you're in a bear market, right? And you may make money. And I used to say this too, and I kind of disagree with my old self a little bit. Whereas, I mean, I'm just doing it for fun. I don't think I'm going to be some like freaking pro trader out here or anything. But I'm more so doing it for fun. But if I make money, that's just more money to DCA back in. So, I mean, I would say go into it with the exception that you're probably not going to make that much money. But have fun with it. Have fun with it. All right, let's continue on. So the wick off accumulation pattern. All right, the wick off. You have to fix that psychology if what he's saying applies to you. Very, very true. Very, very true. No one's FOMOing. There is no money. I don't know, man. I don't know if I agree with you. The wick off accumulation pattern. All right. Everyone was trashing this yesterday. Why? Because everyone was bullish yesterday. All right. Once again, we come up to the top of the wick off. We dump again. All right. Now. All right. If this was to play out, okay, I will say this again, man. If this was to play out, you would expect Bitcoin to continue back down to near the lows that we are. This is the total market cap. You'd expect total market cap to come back down to the lows that we had back on May 11th. Okay, back to like 1.07 trillion. Which, if this was to play out, right, that's another move back down about 13% or so. Right, so that's if this was to play out. So far, so good. Right, so far, so good. You did get that dump right here, exactly as it predicted. So we're not throwing the fractal in the trash just yet. But let's continue to watch this. I do like what this is saying. And I wouldn't say no one has money, man. You still got this guy who has money. Just remember. I still have money. I still have money. I got a bunch of money from my dad's pension. I got all the money in the world. I'm gonna spend it all on Bitcoin shorts and longs. I'm gonna short the bottom and I'm gonna long the top. That's what I'm gonna do. I love that guy. He's goofy, but I love him. He's one of my best friends. If you didn't know, his name is Horsmer. That's his name. All right, let me take a sip of water. Can you guess why his name's Horsmer? Let me know in the chat. All right. Jabon. Oh, God. Not disturbing at all. Man, that guy is hard to look at. He is kind of hard to look at, huh? You guys are wondering what I did today? Body shaming is sick? Who's body shaming? What are you talking about? And what was I saying, man? What was I saying? Guys, don't make any of those jokes in the chat. I see what you guys are saying. Don't be saying that. What was I going to say? You guys are wondering what I did today? What did I do today? I got some new shoes. And not stepping shoes. No, not stepping shoes today. We already have enough of those. Regular shoes. Grocery shopping. Did some work. It's about it, man. The pleb life. This guy definitely wipes the snot on his sleeve. He definitely does. That's funny, man. But yeah. So if this was to continue to play out, we'd expect a move further back down to the lows, which is kind of what I've been expecting all along. So nothing kind of changes here, as Savvy would say.
Nothing has changed.
Nothing has changed. I guess this guy's right, man. I guess our good friend Optic Alert is correct. Ah, man. Optic Alert, right? Optic freaking Alert. Here we go. He's going to be correct. Come on, Optic Alert. You got the show, man. I mean, you freaking were right again. Come on, show your fib circles, man. What's going on, guys? It's Optic Alert here. I warned you of the dump here. I told you that we were coming up to our blue ring. Oh, wait. Was it the green ring yesterday? Let me fix this real quick. Yeah, it was our green ring. I told you that we were coming up right here to this green ring. And that's exactly where we came up to. We came up to the green ring, and then we dumped right from the green ring. All right? So, guys, this is going to be the start of a massive dump all the way back down to the bottom of the green ring. We could be seeing 25K Bitcoin again within the next couple days, guys. We're coming all the way back down here. Our green ring has played out. We're coming back down to the downside, man. Right? That's all I got to say. Be careful, guys. Watch out for the dump. See you guys later. Adios. There we go. Thank you, Optic Alert. Thank you, man. Thank you for coming out. You've been absolutely killing it in this bear market, man. I got to give you some credit, even though your Fibonacci circles are absolutely BS. Bullshizzle. Bullshiznip. Bullshiza. I got to give you some credit, man. They are working so far. All right. So, let's go back into this. So, we still have our big macro wedge formation. So, a little bit of hopium. By the way, what do you guys say in the chat? Gonna go deep down, said Miller. Kennedy said, felt great to short. Michael said, midnight member stream where all get drunk on Coors Light. Midnight member stream. What we can do tomorrow? Maybe we can do this tomorrow. No, listen. At some point, we'll do that for sure. For sure. Maybe we'll do like, guys, I see a lot of you guys like to trade now. You know, maybe we can do a little trading stream while we drink Coors Light, right? But no, our big macro wedge formation, that is a little bit of hopium for the bulls, okay? You guys think this is any what legit? Let me know in the chat. Do you guys think there's any chance of playing out? Right? You don't have to say yes. If you think so, say yes in the chat. If you don't think so, say no. This is BS. Let me know in the chat. Let me know. Let's see. Sergio said, this dump is a fake out, almost poetic. It's going to be awesome because everyone knows that Bitcoin will go further down, even you. I would argue this, Sergio. All I've been hearing for the last 2 weeks is Bitcoin needs a relief rally. Bitcoin's going to have a relief rally at some point. I think max pain would be we get no relief rally and we go back down. Because I think even a lot of bulls were longing this. Even a lot of bears were longing the high 29Ks because they think we're going to get a relief rally here. Max pain, I think, for the bulls and the bears would be no relief rally and it just goes lower. If I'm going to be honest. Right? Because I saw a lot of macro bears, even on Twitter, putting long positions in the high 29Ks. Right? So everyone's calling Bitcoin needs a relief rally. Bitcoin doesn't need shiza. Okay? Bitcoin's going to do whatever it wants to do. Just like we say when Bitcoin's going up. It's going to do whatever it wants to do, when it wants to do it, how it wants to do it. Okay? Really? So keep that in mind. This is big, right? This is a big wedge. Listen, this is some long-term hopium. This could go significantly lower before it continues back up. This is sort of what I'm looking at for macro. I think, you know, if something like this does play out where we kind of just consolidate sideways until like the end of June, which is another like month away, it can even be longer than that, right? That's just kind of a condensed version. Even if we just kind of go like this, right? No, I love you, Sergio. I was just debating you, man. Even if we kind of just do something like this, we kind of go like this, we kind of go sideways a little bit, right? And then we come back up, you know, over the course of July, you know, even if maybe we come back down, I don't know. Something along these lines. Maybe you don't go in a full-blown bull market, but maybe some type of rally at that point. You know, something along those lines I can see playing out for a more macro version. But, you know, at the end of the day, I mean, it's all a guess at the end of the day, man. We know it's all a guess, right? I don't have sources, okay? Only this guy has sources. The third biggest channel in the interwebs. Guys, today, my sources tell me that Bitcoin is now in a bear market, even though I told you that Bitcoin's looking very, very good yesterday, right? I told you we were getting a nice rally to the upside, but now Bitcoin is back into a bear market exactly as I predicted, guys. We still have that target all the way back down to 14K, right? All the way back down to 14K. You know, let's come on and have Frankie Candles. Frankie Candles, come on, man. Come on, Frankie Candles. Come on up and show us your charts, man. Come back up and show us your charts, man. Come on, Frankie. Frankie, come on, man. They're waiting for you. You got to come on. Be faster than TJ. Be faster than TJ. Come on, Frankie. What's going on, guys? It's Frankie Candles here. Okay, let's go take a look at the market cipher. Okay, let's go take a look at market cipher because that's what we look at here. Yeah, guys, we got the momentum wave coming back down for Bitcoin, guys. We're getting a massive red blood diamond here on the daily time frame. It's not looking good for Bitcoin right now, guys. I gotta say, it's really not looking good for this right now. We're coming back down. We get the massive red blood diamond here on market cipher. It looks like we are coming back down to the downside, man. So that's really what it looks like right now. I have nothing really else to say. But that's really it, man. Blood diamond on market cipher. All right, guys, that's all I have for you. See ya. Thank you, Frankie. Thank you, Frankie. TJ, Frankie's going to take your spot as co-host, man. He's going to take your spot as co-host because you suck. But, BitBoy, I own 30% of BitBoy crypto. I own 30% of it. You can't get rid of me. You can't. This is my life. Oh, Lord. Let's see. Okay, this is creepy. Oh, man. You guys are crazy, man. All right. Let's go continue on. Weekly. All right. I mean, that's why I said we had a long week to go, man. I mean, yesterday we were coming up. Now we have a big wick on the bottom side, a big wick on the top side of this candle here, man. Big wick on the top side. Ban yourself, DJ. Ban yourself. Big wick on the top side of this green candle here. All right. This was looking like a bullish engulfing weekly candle. But like we said, we had Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday left in the week. And Bitcoin doge bonked right back to the downside. Got hit on the head with a hammer. Bonked right back down to the downside. So now we're kind of sitting with a big wick on the top side and a little candle bati. So we'll see what we continue this week. Once again, just because, I mean, we came down doesn't mean we can't go back up today. But you know, now we're back below 30K. So not really much has changed here on the weekly time frame, right? Really not much has changed. If anything, what we did on the macro is we came back up, tested this support, and flipped it as resistance. That's really what it looks like so far. Just a previous support flipping into rise this, don't say. All right, so far, right? Well, this could change. This could change. We still have a long week to go. Don't get your panties in a bunch. If anything, think of this as another opportunity below 30K for BTC. Once again, I do not think it's going to be below 30K for a long time. I don't. For most, I think a few months. All right. Bitcoin typically doesn't spend time at its lows for longer than a few months. 2018 only spent a few months really at its lows, and down here, it really only spent a few months at its lows. I told you guys, I think we're relatively close to the bottom. To me, I don't think Bitcoin goes below the 200 SMA because it never has on a weekly close. Once again, a weekly close. If we get a wick, it is what it is. 22,183 is where the 200 SMA is right now. So you guys do your own research. You guys don't listen to me, but we're below 30K again. And if you were feeling FOMO and you feel like you were going to miss out when Bitcoin was pumping to 32K yesterday, 2 days ago, well, now's your time again. You want to take advantage? It's up to you. Just know how you felt when Bitcoin was pumping without you. All right, that's all I'll say. All right, anyways. 4M said, I wanted to buy more BTC. I'm happy I bought the bottom today. Nice, man. stream for 24 hours straight, I think I'll die if I do that, man. I tried the 12-hour stream once. You guys know how that went. I actually got through it pretty well, but I was pretty exhausted at the end of that. It's not so much physically exhausting. It's just you have to talk for 12 hours, and 12 hours is 12. Talking for 12 hours is probably easier than you think. I'll say that. It's definitely easier than you think. Or finding things to talk about for 12 hours is easier than you think. But you guys know me. I could talk about a tree outside. I could talk about a freaking piece of dirt on the ground. You know? I'm kind of annoying sometimes. I am. I'm really freaking annoying. I'm probably more annoying than this guy.
Basically, Bitcoin is clearly a scam. Cryptocurrency is clearly an idiot with no common sense. And scientifically speaking, according to a study at the Bank of Canada, more people who are financially illiterate invest in Bitcoin.
Kennedy said Asia should react and bring price down tonight. That's what I'm hoping for, man. I still have my short open. I have not closed my short. I was thinking about it for a little bit. Like when Bitcoin got back to the 50 EMA, it was holding it for a little bit, and I was like, I might close the short at the 50 EMA. I didn't. Came all the way down here, but now it's back up here. I still haven't closed it yet. But you know, this is more of a swing play for me because I still think Bitcoin could come up a little bit higher here, and then before it then comes back down lower, so they can come up a little bit here. But that doesn't matter to me. My stop loss is like, I forget where it is. It's somewhere up here now. I forget exactly what the price is, but I have not closed it yet. You know, I was very, very close to closing it at the 50 EMA right here, though. Very, very close. Very, very close. But I did not close it yet. Pay yourself. Pay yourself, happy days. I'll think about it after the stream. I'll think about it, man. Let it run. You guys just want me to go to the casino and let it run, man. Greedy take profits at 46K, Jordan, replaced by greedy trader, Jordan. That's very true. Very true. Very, very true. All right. Izam said, what happened to Plan B's plan? Plan B? Let's have a look. Plan B. Come on down from the heavens, my friend. Come on, man. Come on down from the heavens. Guys, Plan B is not going to be very nice to you guys. You guys don't believe in Plan B. Remember when everyone was talking about Plan B and then he was wrong for 1 month and everyone just kind of forgot about him? Here he comes, guys. Here he comes. Here he comes. Everyone say hi to Plan B. Oh, Plan B. No, no, no. I still believe in you. Whoa. Oh. I have overtaken Jordan's body. How dare you mock me, Plan B? I am the god of crypto. I predict everything in this market. Who dares mock me in the chat? Max, you mock me? Pumpy Pump believes? Yes, you must believe or I will find you and do exactly what I just did to Jordan. Okay? Rodney, you don't believe in Plan B? Or you're gonna believe. Because Plan C is not better than Plan B. For many different reasons. I had that little pun in there. All right, get out of here, Plan B. No one likes you anymore, man. No one likes you anymore, man. No one likes Plan B anymore. Everyone just bash. Everyone, it's funny. I always go on Plan B's Twitter replies. Everyone just bashes Plan B. I kind of feel bad for him, man. I mean, he all he really did is put his predictions out, and then people like he was getting it right. People got it, then he got it wrong, and people got wrecked, and then people started to hate him. I mean, I always say, people. I mean, you got to take responsibility for your own actions. Okay, you cannot blame anyone for your own actions. Okay, if you trust some anonymous guy on Twitter, I don't know what to tell you, man. I don't know what to tell you. You got a long way to go. All right, let's see. Boz Coding Financial is back today, man. You gotta love this guy. You gotta love this guy. Let's see. The laser eyes was always the cringiest part of crypto next to NFT profile pics. Facts. I have never done a laser eyes picture It's very, very cringy. The laser eye picture is like doing a mirror selfie. It's the equivalent of doing a mirror selfie. If you have a laser eyes picture, okay, that's like you posting a mirror selfie on Instagram, okay? It's about that equivalent. If you haven't, the NFT profile pic, it's a little bit, I think that's a little bit different. I wouldn't say that's as lame. But the laser eye pic, come on, man.
Nope.
I'll be doing that. Hey, Jordan, I'm sorry I'm late. New baby toy? Nice. We can look at ADA. We'll look at ADA in a second. Let's look at S&P. So S&P, man. S&P today, I mean, this is the 1 hour time frame. Didn't really do much today. Let's look at the daily time frame. So the daily started to come back down a little bit. So we got to be wary of this. Stock RSI's topped out in the S&P. It's coming back down a little bit. We'll see what we'll open with tomorrow, but obviously the best day for the S&P. Looking into tomorrow, you try to hold the 50 EMA in the 4 hour time frame. If that breaks, just like we saw with Bitcoin, I would expect a further move back down to the downside for the S&P going into tomorrow. So we're going to watch that very, very closely, very, 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 very closely going into tomorrow, in tomorrow's morning stream to see what the S&P does here. And DXY is continuing its move back up, so that didn't last very long. DXY pulled back and now is continuing its move to the upside, bounced right off the 50 EMA. It's what we didn't want to see on the DXY. Bounce off the 50 EMA. Now you're back above the 20. Okay, let's see if this has got more momentum to the upside. But that's not what we want to see, right? That's not what we want to see. Everyone was getting super horny. DXY dumping, and now it's coming back up. So we'll see if it continues back up. But that's not what we want to see for us crypto hodlers. Because at the end of the day, we're all crypto hodlers, right? We might trade to make more hodl crypto. But at the end of the day, we're all crypto hodlers, all right? Let's see. It is at the same price it was a year ago. Facts. A lot of things are at the same price it was a year ago, to be fair, though. So is Bitcoin. So is ETH. I mean, if we're being fair. If we're being fair to ADA, okay? If we're being fair to ADA, be fair to Charles Hoskinson, guys. All right? Be fair to Charles Hoskinson. By the way, guys, if you could smack up the like button for me. I hate showing the like button, but the like button has been weak lately. Okay, we've gotten like 250 likes in this morning stream, like 500 last night. We got to hit 600 tonight. I don't know how many people are in here tonight, but we got to hit 600 likes tonight. Smack up that like button if you haven't already, man. All right, smack up the like button if you haven't already. Let's go look at tether dominance. So that was getting a nice bounce. The M formation looks like it's getting rejected, right? This wasn't valid until we broke the neckline right here. And it looks like we actually bouncing off that neckline. So, tether dominance. We said this could play out. This could take weeks to play out, right? And it might now, right? Maybe it comes back up here now. Comes back up to the top, right? Let's see. So, comes back up to the top. Let me find my little brush tool. Maybe it comes back up and we kind of consolidate here for a little bit, right? Bitcoin does its little wick off accumulation thing, and then it comes back down, all right? So, USDT dominance still just hovering in this range. Nothing's really changed on UST dominance. We want this to drop ultimately for Bitcoin to continue up. And right now it's rising. So it's obviously inversely correlated with Bitcoin, as we know. Let's see. Thank you guys for showing the like button in the chat, man. You guys are the absolute homies. Appreciate you guys for hanging out today. I will pay premium for fresh Hoskinson man milk. Imagine getting milk out of that guy's boobs. He seems like he would have some good milk in his boobs. I don't know. What do you guys think? Hoskinson, good milk in his boobs? Yes or no in the chat. All right. All right. So that's UST dominance. Ethereum, man. ETH, man. ETH comes back down into our green box range, our green box of death range, where both times we came down here before, we did come all the way back down to the bottom of the range, back down to 1700. So, will ETH come back down to 1700? We got to see, but right now, it's not good. It's not good. You guys are funny, man. Yuck. Come on, man. Would you rather... This is a weird question. Would you rather drink milk out of Hoskinson's tits or Jabba's tits? Let me know in the chat. Hoskinson's or Jabba's? I'll give you, you guys know Hoskinson. I'll give you a picture of Jabba. Come on, mine. Mine. Hoskinson's bullish. At least I'm sure. At least you'll get good energy from me. Come on. It's here. Come on. It's right here. Which one would you rather do? Let me know in the chat. This song is quite lovely. I think it is too. A lot of people don't like it, but I think the dumb song is T1 material for as far as the song goes, man. All right, so Ethereum. We came back down to 1,700. Both times we came into this range. Are we going to see 1,700 again? That's the question. It's funny because as of right now, right, stock RSI moved up. Right, slowly moved up here. And now, right, we're kind of have bullish momentum, and now it's going to cross back to the downside here with the price already dumping. So, guys, just looking at this daily, like it couldn't even get back up to the 50 EMA. It can only get back up to the 20 EMA before it got rejected. That's just weakness as of right now. This could change, but as of right now, that's just weakness from my number one holding. So I don't want it to go down. But there we go. So 20 EMA, we got rejected. I'm looking at, if this continues down, if it does break that $1,700 range, potentially, which we'll look at in a second, we could be seeing 1575 is my next target there. Looking left, we got some previous support, previous resistance in that range. That's the next level I'm looking at is 1575 for Captain Ethereum. Now, I'll be buying more ETH. If it comes back down to 1700, I'll be scooping up some more ETH. If it comes back down to 1574, I'll be scooping up some more Ethereum. Maybe some in between too. But those are the levels I'll be picking up some more Ethereum if, and I'm going to say if, I think when we get there, in my personal opinion. All right, so that's where I'm going to skip up some ETH from some long-term juicy holds. I'm excited for what's to come, man. Hey, the fact that we've been consolidating down here for so long and quite frankly might get better prices continuously, I'm excited for what's to come, man. It's absolutely nuts. This is reminding me so much of 2018. So much of 2018. And listen, man, if you were around in 2018 and you stuck through, you ended up getting greatly rewarded, man. And this time right now, just the absolute bearishness, just people macro bearish, people long-term bearish, the bearishness, the negative sentiment, the saltiness on Twitter, right? It just reminds me so much of 2018. And it's quite frankly, not enough people are going to take advantage. I know it sounds like I'm bearish every single day, but guess what, man? Nothing has changed. I'm still bullish as hell for the long term, man. So that's what I'll say, man. I'm not just basically talking about ETH. I'm talking about the whole market, man. Just make sure that you are not missing out on any opportunities whenever your plan arises, because I'm freaking excited, man. And most people are going to miss out. I would say 80-90% of this chat will not make it into the next bull market. You won't believe it now. You might be sitting there like this. You might be sitting there like this right now. I'm going to make it. I'm not going anywhere. I'm not going anywhere. I just put it along. No, and I got liquidated, but I just shorted. I'm trading during the bear market. I'm not going anywhere. I'm DCAing. Every time Bitcoin pumps, I'm going to buy more. Yeah, I'm going to buy more. I'll be around here for as long as it takes. That might be a lot of you guys right now, but I'm telling you, a lot of you guys won't stick around. A lot of you guys will be bored. You'll think it's a scam, just like 2018. So just keep that in mind. Just keep that in mind. I don't think we're at the bottom yet, but just be prepared whenever you get that price, because I'll continue to say it. As much as you guys want to mock me that I'm bearish, I will continue to say it. I don't think the bottom's in yet. Be prepared for whenever the opportunity strikes, right? That's all I'll say. I know you guys like to hate on me when I'm bearish, but that's just how I think, man. I'm going to stick to my gut, because in the past, I haven't stuck to my gut, and it's bitten me in the ass. So I'm going to stick to my gut. And let's see. Let's see. That's me, said Mike. Oh, God. You guys are funny, man. I didn't know. God. Drew, be careful with that joke, man. There's a lot of people who will get salty. All the white knights will be coming out here. People getting salty, man. So just be careful with that joke, man. Oh, man.
Psycho said, I'm down 70%, 75% of my portfolio. No point in selling.
I am down 75% in my portfolio. No point on selling.
That's crypto, man. That's crypto for you. Everyone's been down. All these geniuses that you guys watch every day, every single person's been down 75% at some point. All right? I've been down 75% at one point. I've been down 90+% at some point. Thank you, XRP. Screw you, bro. Friggin' hate XRP. That coin absolutely freaking sucks, man. If you keep holding that, you're going to keep getting wrecked. Everyone in this market's been down. It's 90+%. All right? George has been down 90+%. Bitboy's been down 90+%. Right? Everyone's been down a significant amount before. That's crypto. Right? It just... And the most important saying in crypto is time in the market beats timing the market. For your HODL portfolio, the longer you hold it, in theory, the more successful it'll be. All right? Yeah, you're going to have bumps, but you're going to be successful if you stick around long enough. You can trade on the side, which I've always been against, but lately, I mean, I just needed some action, man. So I'm trading more so for fun. If I make money doing it, awesome. It is what it is. It's more so of a hobby, I guess, for me at this point. If I make money with it, it's going to go right back into the HODL bags. But I mean, at the end of the day, you just got to stick around, man. You just got to stick around. I mean, it is what it is. It is what, especially if you're down. I mean, I will say this: just because you're down 75% does not mean it can't go down another 75%, right? In theory, just remember Luna, all right? But usually, the longer you stick around, man. It is what it is. I know no one wants to hear that right now because the market looks like shit. It does. Let's be honest. But that's really what it comes down to. I'm broke till 2025. I will say this. Crypto is the one thing where you can be broke. You can go from being broke to not having to work in the span of 6 months. Okay? That's the thing about crypto, man. So stay patient, stay vigilant, and just don't go back to being one of those plebs that just keeps all their savings in their savings account, man. Because that's going to get you nowhere. That's going to get you a boring, safe life. And if that's what you want, awesome. There's nothing wrong with that. But I think everyone that's in this chat doesn't want that, and that's why you're here. So keep that in mind. Jordan, the market looks awesome. This is when you make money. Well, yes, I know, Starlo. That's what I've been hyping up for the last 10 minutes. Right? Market looks like shit, but these are going to be life-changing opportunities at the end of the day. And I feel bad when I talk about short-term stuff and I'm super, super bearish, right? Because I know you guys are like, Jordan's being negative. I'm being honest, okay? I could sit here and be a moon boy I could sit here and be a moon boy for short-term, even though I don't believe the price is going up short-term. I could do that, right? But I'm just being honest and giving my honest take. Long-term, nothing has changed. Right? I'm continuing to HODL, continue to DCA. We're doing our thing. But short term, I'm going to be honest with you, what you guys are saying. All right? It's simple as that. Pouring and save is my middle name. What's wrong with you? Let's see. Anything with market cap left will get drained by these Wall Street paper hands? Sure. Amber's turd costs $15K. That's why you don't lie, bro. That's why you don't lie. Let that set an example to everyone out there. That's why you don't freaking lie. I'm not gonna give my thoughts on that case, but that sets a really good precedent going forward. All right, so 29,850. So that is what's going on with BTC at the moment. Handel said, can we listen to the Bank of Canada guy in 137? I got you, man. 137? I don't know what that means, Hamilton, but here you go, man.
Basically, Bitcoin is clearly a scam. Cryptocurrency is clearly an idiot with no common sense. And scientifically speaking, according to a study at the Bank of Canada, more people who are financially illiterate invest in Bitcoin.
That guy's been so right lately. That guy probably had a massive short in. No, he probably doesn't sound smart enough to put a short from the top. He probably shorted that at 30K once he finally realized that the price is going down. That's literally the Bank of Canada guy, man. The Bank of Canada guy, this is literally him. Let me look at the chart.
Let's look at the charts today. Let's look at the charts. Okay. Oh, let's go to the weekly chart. Oh yeah. Bitcoin's at 3K. Oh my God. Bitcoin's clearly a scam. You're so financially illiterate. You're financially illiterate. All right, let me go eat some cookies.
2 years later.
Ah, shit. I missed the top. Whoa, Bitcoin's at 30K. I'm shorting this shit. I'm shorting. Ugh. I'm shorting right now. There we go. 100x short at the bottom. Bitcoin's clearly a scam.
Oh God, man. That's literally like a Canada guy. That's literally the Bank of Canada guy. QNT will be huge. You guys say in the chat. Did Bob sold? I don't know what Bob did. We can ask Bob in a little bit. All right, let's go look at ADA. Everyone's wondering about ADA. ADA. What's the frick is going on with ADA? I almost put it at ADA short today, but I didn't do it. It was very, very tempting. But ADA, what did we do today? Well, once again, man, we got the 2 big hits to the upside. Came back up, wicked right off the 50 EMA, rejected off the 50 EMA, came right back down. Right? We literally came right back down. We'll play happy and clappy new green deal, though. I got you, man. Just for you, my guy. Just for you, man. So ADA come up to the 50 EMA, rejected. Massive bearish engulfing candle here in the daily time frame. Right to the 20 EMA. Let's see if we close below the 20 EMA. If we do, bada bing, bada boom. Still think ADA's coming lower here. We got 2 massive vector candles here on the daily time frame. And if we go to the 4-hour time frame, man, we got some juicy ones back down here we can come back and take. We got one right here. We got one right here. Something tells me this ain't holding up and this is coming back down to the Goblin Town. But, hey, who am I to know? I'm going to look at vector candles, right? Who am I to know? Now, just keep in mind, short term, we might go like something like this. So don't get on my case. We might go bop, 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 back up, and then bop, 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 back down, right? It's kind of what I think is going to happen. Something along these lines. But, I mean, overall, my theory on Bitcoin remains the same. And my theory on ADA remains the same, right? If I think Bitcoin's going to go lower, I think ADA is going to go lower, right? They go hand in hand. So, at the end of the day, we have our Wyckoff accumulation. If something like this does play out, right? We would probably be expecting ADA to come back down to our lows. Where you're once again... If you love ADA and you want to accumulate ADA, have a plan, okay? Because, listen, you probably were feeling a lot of FOMO on this way up here, right? A lot of FOMO. You didn't want to miss out on the rally, right? You didn't want to miss out. You're feeling a lot of FOMO. Even if you didn't pull the trigger, I bet some of you guys wanted to, right? And then you rejected. Boom. Now, you're coming back down into some of the areas that we were before. If you love ADA for the long term, have a plan. Have your orders ready if you want to scoop up some ADA for long term. That's all I'm saying. If they don't hit, they don't hit. But make sure you got them ready if that's where you want to do. Right? Don't miss out because it can happen fast. Right? We've seen it happen before. All right, but that's sort of my take on Cardano. I do think we're going to come back down to these lows for multiple different reasons. We got to break the 50 EMA first, but ultimately, I still think it's going lower, man. A triple bottom. Let's see. Barat said, morning, buddy. AVAX? I got you on AVAX, my friend. I got you, bro. Appreciate the super chat, man. AVAX. AVAX. Let's see. AVAX. Yeah, I mean, it looks, it's pretty much the same thing as Cardano, man. I mean, listen, man, I know everyone was... It's so funny in hindsight, man, because, you know, we had this meme yesterday. How true is this meme now, man? How true is this meme? Come on, man. How true is this meme? Everyone mocking me and being bullish yesterday. I was just trying to be honest with you guys. This is what everyone looked like on Twitter yesterday, right? This was the Bitcoin pump. This was the altcoin pump. And then, boom, right to the downside. Huge O-face. You probably got the O-face thumbnails yesterday. Bitcoin rallying. You guys remember the O-face, Where's our O-face template? You guys remember mine from back in the day. Here you go. There's mine. You probably had a lot of these thumbnails yesterday. Bitcoin pumping, Bitcoin bull market back. Okay? This is what the pump looked like on the chart, man. Like, you guys gotta chill. Don't get so emotional over little pumps, man. You probably got a bunch of these thumbnails yesterday, right? On YouTube. I didn't really watch too many videos yesterday. But yeah, you probably saw those. Same thing for AVAX, man. I mean, AVAX, you look at the daily time frame. Here was the little pump we got. At the end of the day, we came right back down to the downside, man. You know what I mean? Like, we came right back to the downside. So, the cock holster face. The good old thumbnail. The blow face. I gotta say, man. Chris has got a pretty good blow face. Hold on. Let me see. Who's got the best blow face? Let me know. Chris, number 1. Bitboy, number 2. Bitboy's mouth is huge. Looks like a friggin' bass. George, number 3. George's face is just like this. He like opens his mouth slightly awkwardly. Go look at George's thumbnails. You know exactly what I mean. His mouth is just awkwardly slightly open like this. Like it's not an O face. It's like a small little O face. Don't forget Carl the Goon. I don't think Carl does the O faces anymore. I think Carl just kind of does like random pictures. He just like sits there like this. But yeah, I think Carl retired the O face. George just kind of sits there with like the little open mouth. Like it's so small. He has like the smallest mouth. Rally had me. Eagle said Rally had me FOMOing hard AF. Stayed sideline though. Thank you, Eagle. So you felt the urge to FOMO, but you didn't. Nice job, man. Buy on the way down, not on the way up. You got to trick your mind into doing that. Buy on the way down, not on the way up. All right. So AVAX is coming back down to the lows, man. We're almost back down to those lows. So it's really the it's really just we're coming back down to those lows. So 1, 2, 3. We hit the triple bottom for AVAX probably at this point. Not really anything has changed for AVAX, man. I mean,
nothing has changed.
We're coming back down to test the lows. It looks pretty likely at this point. You still got your stocks topped out. I mean, this looks like, I mean, just look at this. You can't even make higher highs. You're just coming back down in sort of a descending triangle, right? Hit, up, coming back down again. I don't see any reason to think this is not going to at least come back down to 22, 23. It's not a huge move, but I think it's at least going to come back down to test the support again, at the very, very least. If that breaks for AVAX, I mean, let's look at like the 4-hour time frame, see if we got anything here. AVAX on the short term, let's see if we broke all our fibs here, if we got a 786 retracement. Let's get rid of that. Get out of here, bro. Let's check our little Fibonacci's. Bop, bop. All right, so we broke the golden pocket. We're going to hope we get a bounce off the 786. If we don't get a bounce off the 786, coming back down to the lows, right? Definitely coming back down to the lows. Watch that 786 fib. It's at like 22.95. You got your 4-hour stocks top bottomed out. You can go significantly lower than that, though. I don't know, man. I don't see a reason to think that this doesn't continue lower here. And if it does, quite frankly, I'm looking left to see if we got anything over here, guys. Man, if that it's gonna sound very doom and gloomy, and I hate to sound doom and gloomy because everyone thinks that if I give bearish price targets, it sounds doom and gloomy, which I guess it kind of is. I would say you can come as low as here. Get a vector candles looking left, 19 bucks. Around $19 is where I'd be looking at if AVAX breaks that low. Which, that sounds crazy, man. I couldn't imagine AVAX $19 just a couple months ago, man. That's absolutely crazy. That thing, AVAX in April was at 100 bucks. That is absolutely nuts. That's an absolutely crazy turnaround, man. Holy moly. But yeah, $19 is what I'm looking at there, if that does drop. Just say it, 0. 0. I need an AVAX punching bag. Yeah, it's crazy how fast that dropped, man. It really is. Wayne said I'd have to shove a stick up my ass to make an MM crypto face. Dude, I don't know how. He makes the biggest vein on his freaking head, man. I tried to do his vein, but I can't get the vein. Honestly, right here, guys, I was trying my best to do the vein. Even I couldn't do the vein, man. You see that? You see the chart right here. Perfect vein depth, right? That's the checklist of number 1. I cannot get that vein on that forehead. He gets that vein to pop. This guy's got to be choking himself or something, man. He gets that vein to have some serious definition on his head. He's either going to be doing some serious eyebrow pumps like this, right, to really build up those muscles in that forehead, or he's got to be choking himself. Because there's no way you can be naturally getting that vein on your head. There's 0 way. 0. All right, let me get rid of that. There we go. Let's see. He works out. Still, though, that vein on the head is massive. He's got the vein. Close time, clown. Thank you, Clint. Appreciate it, man. I love how we have such a close relationship. We can just call each other clowns and idiots. That's how you know you got a close relationship, man. You can just call each other a clown, an idiot, low IQ. That's BitBoy's thing. That's BitBoy's thing. Can you get all these low IQ idiots out of my chat? They disagree with me. So basically, I'm allowed to disagree with anyone, okay? Here's how my channel works, guys. If people disagree with me, they're low IQ, okay? They're low IQ. Okay, very, very low IQ. But I'm allowed to disagree with everyone, okay? But that's how my channel works. Anyone disagrees with anything that I say, they're low IQ, or I completely dismiss their theory, okay? My theory works. Everything has to go by me. That's how this works. I own crypto. I am the face of crypto, okay? So you can get out of my chat, you low IQ idiots, all right? We don't need you here. We only need the Bit Squad. The Bit Squad. The freaking Bit Squad. Oh, God. The Bit Squad. That sounds like it's from, like, Looney Tunes. All right, 29,752. Oh, God. I'm too scared to buy. The feds keep raising rates. We already know what's going to happen, man. Everyone already knows that we're going to get 2 more rate hikes at the very, very least in June and July. We already know this, okay? What happens after that, we have no idea yet, but we already know those 2 things. So if you're going to let that fudge you out of the market and not DCA at what was your plan originally, what was your plan, right? Let me do a quick rant alert here, guys. What was your plan? If you could rewind, let's rewind all the way back to, let's say up here. Let's say right here. Let's go back to right here, 42K. What was your plan? Where were your buy opportunities, right? We were getting rejected. We were coming back down. Actually, let's adjust it. Let's say right here, as Bitcoin was starting to dump, we broke from the bear flag, right? It was pretty obvious we were going lower at this point. What was your plan right here? Where was your plan to buy? Let me know in the chat. Where was your plan to buy, and did you stick to that plan? Okay? Let me know. And obviously, you can change your plan, right? You can change your plan, but I would argue changing your plans during red times is not thinking with a clear head. That's thinking out of fear. So, what was your plan as the price was dumping right here? Where did you say you were going to buy? And did you stick to it? Let me know in the chat. If you didn't, that's okay. If you think we're going to go lower, that's okay. Let me know. Let me know. Where did you stick to your plan or not? All right, let's look at the daily close, though. All you guys tell me that. 29,743. So, yeah, man, that was a quick little fake pump. Let's have a celebration for the fake pump, man. in remembrance of our fake pump where everyone was bullish as heck yesterday, everyone calling for 100K yesterday.
We're going to 100K tomorrow.
Let's have for some remembrance of our fake pump, guys. We didn't get to 9K. We're going to be waiting for a long time for 9K, my friend. Dan said below 29K. Yup, that's my guy, Dan. That's my guy. Daily close. We closed at a very, very measly 29,700. All right, there we go. There we go. Goddamn vector candles. They don't work, apparently, though. They don't work. They don't work. But yeah, so we came all the way back down to 29.7. And right now, still the bullish case scenario, right? If the bulls want to get pumped, all right? The bullish case scenario is you have this downtrend of resistance. This was a back test before you continue back to the upside. That's like the really, really bullish case scenario. I think there's a very low chance of that playing out, but that's the case for the bulls. Let's see what the whales want to do going for the rest of the day. Let's bring up the little whales. I am currently still in a short, in case you're wondering what I'm doing. I'm still in a short. I'm still holding my short, okay? I have not entered any longs, okay? So keep that in mind. And some of you guys have your buys too low. I completely disagree. But hey, it's their plan. Let them stick to their plan, man. Let them stick to their plan. It's their plan. All right, let's see. No recovery till August. Nice. The nectar candles. All right. You heard of Crypto Hulk? He has BitBoy face beat. Heard of Crypto Hulk? Who the hell is Crypto Hulk? He sounds like he would kill me. Crypto Hulk? All I picture is like just literally Hulk doing TA. I just literally picture Hulk sitting here going like this. Oh my God. I am the Incredible Hulk. All right, we're going to be 2 in TA, guys. What? You don't agree with me? Hulk smash, bitch. All right, let's go look at let's continue to look at Bitcoin here. So Bitcoin looks like it did come back up, took this vector candle, and is now trying to move back to the downside. If you talk shit about my vectors one more time, I am going to turn into Hulk. You want me to turn into Hulk? I will find you. I will jump to you. Okay? Yo, Crypto Hulk. That guy sounds badass, man. I would love to see Hulk doing TA. That's freaking awesome, man. Crypto Hulk. 29,707. Hulk angry. Who pissed in your Rice Krispies? I don't know, Wayne. Someone pissed in my Rice Krispies. Oh, God. Hold on. Let me take a sip of water here. Oh. I tagged you a pic on him on Twitter. Nice. Jordan watches Tino every day. Facts, I watch Tino every day. Tino's the absolute GOAT, man. The absolute GOAT. Oh, Fear and Greed 19. All right, so the daily close, guys. I mean, my bullish case is a bounce off this downtrend of resistance. We got to wait to see what happens. I mean, this W formation, I guess, did technically play out, yet we could just end up being a bigger W formation, but I'm going to get rid of this for now. It technically played out, but we didn't get as high as we wanted to. So now we're back to the drawing board here, which ultimately might end up being this kind of wick-off accumulation pattern, which we're following almost to a T as of right now. Altcoins are probably dumping because Bitcoin's looking a little red. Let's see. Always streams from Looks Like Living Room. Really? I never heard of Crypto Hulk, though. Never heard of Crypto Hulk, if I'm going to be honest. All right, let's go back to the 4-hour time frame. I mean, it's like the daily. The daily, man. What can you say about the daily? Just a giant Bart Simpson pattern, man. That's all you can say about the daily. Ethereum, chilling. Bitcoin, chilling. What's going to happen next, man? What are the Asians going to do? What are they going to do, man? What are they going to do in the market? Let's see. Jordan pays to be a part of Chino's trading group. No, I don't pay. I don't pay for a trading group, man. I don't pay for a trading group. This guy Jordan is a trader now. Oh man, it's for fun, man. It's for fun. I'm still learning, man. And remember Expert Crypto? I do remember Expert Crypto. I used to watch Expert Crypto's video. I mean, guys, that's what happens when you call yourself an expert. You get liquidated. I don't know what to tell you, man. When you want to short, I will say this. When you want to over leverage yourself, okay, and short more money than you can afford at the lows, that's exactly what happens to you, man. That's exactly what happens to you. If you want to short Bitcoin at the summer lows last summer, right, literally short at the lows with more money than you can afford to lose, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Guess who's going to come in and swoop in? This guy's going to come swoop in, man. Right here. Bye-bye. The whale's going to come swoop in. And guess what? There's going to be a lot of warning shots fired because of it, man.
Warning
See ya.
Shots fired.
Let's see. It was sarcasm. Are we in a bear market yet? You shorted the whole bull market? All right. Where the heck went Kirby? I don't know, man. Today's market was so relevant to the Wojak videos we discussed yesterday. Oh, facts, man. It's literally what played out yesterday, right? The whole chat was bullish yesterday, mocking me for being bearish. All right, this is exactly what happened, man. Let's bring in our good friend. Yes. What is the confirmation? What is the confirmation? What is retail doing? What are they doing right now? Oh, they think we're going back into a bull market? Do we have confirmation on this? Let's watch for a second. Let's watch to see what they do. Oh my god! Oh my freaking god! Bitcoin's going back into a bull market! Shit! Like an open Robinhood! What's my Robinhood password? Shit! Okay, $500 into Bitcoin! No wait! Litecoin! There we go! Yes! Bull market! Yes! Finally! I've been waiting months! Okay, yes! We have confirmation. Everyone is bullish, including that guy. Dump it. What? No! No! My whole life savings! My $500! No! I must dispute with Robinhood! This is not... Shit! This could not have happened! No! Oh, God. Oh, God, man. Oh, God. Michael said after the stream, you must need time to unwind. You think? After the stream, I got no energy, man. All right. 29,704. Holy moly, man. 29,704. So now we're at 29,683. So Bitcoin's trying to come back down again. Let's see if we do, man. Poor Rocha. This long guy is all of us permables. Turn those machines back on. Come on, man. Is there a... Wait, Clint said... Where'd Clint say up here? I saw Clint say some smart-ass comment. Is there a herd of wild dogs running around on those hardwood floors in the background? Get a noise reducer? No, that's just me stomping my feet. There's no wild dogs over here. Actually, no, you know what it is? It's lightning outside. and it's raining and it's hitting the window. That's what's going on. Listen, dude, it's a bear market. I can't afford sound reducers. I don't know what to tell you, man. Why are you screaming like an untamed banshee? Oh, man. Your lips neck and Yo, Dan said your lips look like a necked beehive. A necked. That word gets me every time, man. I don't know what it is about that word. Oh my god, I'm dead. I'm crying right now. All right. God, I need to calm down. I need to calm down here. Oh, Lord. A necked beehive. Celtics winning the finals? Absolutely they are, man. It's Celtics in 6. Celtics in 6. That's my final prediction going into tomorrow, man. Celtics in 6. I am getting... You guys might make fun of me for this. Tomorrow for the game, can you guess what I'm getting for the game? I'll ask you guys. Guess what food I am getting for the game. It could be me cooking for myself. It could be some type of to-go place. Let me know what food do you think I am getting for myself? If it's a place, let me know the place. If you think I'm cooking, let me know the type of food. Let me know. What do you think I am? What do you think I'm doing? Let's see. The evolution of these streams is moving quicker than the actual evolution. Facts. Let's see. Why are you screaming like a banshee? Scream after that game 6? Oh, I will. We'll have some fun. If the Celtics win, we'll do an after Celtics win stream. And I'll be going nuts. All right? Sound good? I'll even be naked. If you guys want to see me naked, I'll be naked in the stream. Maya, is that okay? No. Okay, she said no. So you guys can just see my nipples then. How about that? All right, 29-7-27. Celtics not being the Warriors. Dude, why do you not think? The Warriors had the easy... Everyone thinks the Warriors are so good. They had the easiest road to the finals possible. Italian food. Oh! My lord! That's not good. Bob's going to be going nuts downstairs. Bob doesn't like thunder. He does not like thunder. Say tube steak, Chinese, tofu, ramen, wings. No, all right. You guys are guessing foods. Don't guess foods. What? All right. All right. I'm getting takeout. All right. What place do you think I'm getting food from? It's a chain. Okay. I'll give you a hint. It's a chain. You guys are very, very far off from the guess. I'm gonna see if anyone else can get it here. Sushi, Panda, Thunder, Domino's. No, not Domino's. I like Domino's though. Domino's is good. People like to hate on Domino's, but Domino's is some lit pizza, man. Did I just say lit? Who am I? Domino's is some good pizza, okay? Very good pizza. Five Guys, no. The Blue Oyster, no. Taco Bell, no. The Blue Oyster? What the hell is the Blue Oyster? Panda, no. McDonald's, no. Bob's Burgers, no. KFC, no. Panda, no. All right. We have a winner in the chat. Steve D. Winner in the chat, bro. Congratulations, Steve D. You're the only person in the whole chat who guessed what we're getting, man. The only person that guessed what I am getting. Congratulations, Steve D. You win a round of applause. Nice job, man. Nice job, Steve D. Everyone say nice job, Steve D in the chat. Don't be salty because you guys didn't guess. Steve D. Yes, we are... I'm getting White Castle. I don't know if I'm going to be joined just yet, but I am getting White Castle. Okay? One, because I never had White Castle. I don't know if it's good, so don't crap on me, not. But I am getting White Castle, man. That's what I'm getting. Let me know if you guys think it's good. I've never had it before, and we passed it today. I'm like, wait, I'm trying to try this, and I haven't been able to try it yet. So, nasty ass White Castle. You guys are funny, man. It's not that I didn't guess right. It's just that I didn't care. Yeah, I get it. I get it. Nice job, Steve D. Nice job, Steve D. That was hilarious. I heard thunder, Jordan. Are you in New York? Yes. Yes, there you go, man. Nice job. Nice job. Nice guess, man. Delivery? Dude, that's gross. I don't really eat fast food anymore, man. So no, I never had White Castle. If you don't like onions, you're not going to like it. I love onions, so your best bet. I'm going to be wanting seconds. I don't really eat fast food anymore. So no, I've never had White Castle. There's not a lot. I don't even think there's White Castle up in Boston. So no, I've never had White Castle. Maybe there is. I just never seen it. Crystal is White Castle wannabe. Get back up. That's dog food for humans. We'll find out, man. Listen, Maya doesn't even like that type of food, and she thinks that White Castle is actually pretty good.
I only had one sandwich.
She only had one sandwich, but she liked it. So, yeah. Stay near the toilet. You don't gotta tell me twice. I'm always near the toilet, man. Right? Me and Job are always near the toilet.
Jordan, no, don't show me. I'm trying to poop. Why do we even have a camera in the bathroom? This is so weird. Jordan, no. Come on. Bob, get out of here. I'm trying to poop. I have to go. Get out of here. It's thundering right now. You know what thunder does to me? Get out of here, quick. Jump, it's coming. Get out. Get out. No, I'm not getting out. I'm taking my time. Good luck, Bob. You're going to poop your pants. Get out of there.
I don't know where this stuff comes from. All right. Get extra mayo. I'll be getting extra mayo. Your best bet, I'll be getting extra mayo. All right. Bitcoin's chilling 29,711. Any alts coming down right now? Let's go check CoinMarketCap. Why not? Let's see. What's going on with CoinMarketCap? Let's see what we got going on. So, Cardano, 55 cents. Solana. Wow, Solana's below $40, man. $39.98 on Solana. It's looking pretty juicy. All right. I know Solana went down today. So that's probably a big reason why it dumped the most. Because people are scared. Oh my God, Solana's down. It's not like Solana's been down a million times before. It's not like any crypto's never down. Every crypto I think has ever been down. Besides, I think I saw every crypto has been down at some point. Litecoin hasn't been down or something like that. I forget that. Don't quote me on that. Which is funny because Litecoin's a piece of shit. Solana, Doge, Polkadot's down about 940 peak Polkadot, man. Tron, even Tron's down. That's how you know right now. Because Tron's been killing it for some reason. Avalanche, 23.26. Man. Let's see, man. What else we got? Axie down 12. Theta. I mean, get stuff dropping again, man. Stuff dropping again after a bull market, man. That was the short. Yesterday, I mean, the last 2 days, guys, was the shortest bull market ever, man. Holy crap. I thought bull markets were supposed to last longer than this. Crap, man. This was such a boring bull market, man. Now we're back in a bear market already? I thought bull markets were supposed to last a year. What the hell happened, man? Shit. All right, 29,635. But it's still in beta. Cardano hasn't been down as far as I know. Interesting. Bitcoin's doing absolutely nothing. It's trying to continue down. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. I mean, you're already at 2960 at this point. I mean, at this point, when we look at this, do we really think Bitcoin's not going to come back down and test these lows again? Who in the chat does not think Bitcoin's going to come back down to test these lows? The daily doesn't show anything different than me. Who thinks that Bitcoin's coming back down to test the low right here? 28,600. Who thinks? Yes or no in the chat? What happened to lengthening cycles? I would say that it's still definitely possible. Guys, I'm bearish short term. At any point, Bitcoin can turn around. I have my thesis. Okay, my thesis is that we're going back down to the 200 SMA. As soon as we touch that 200 SMA, in my opinion, anything can freaking happen. Right? Anything can freaking happen. Right? So keep that in mind. Do I think extended cycles are 100% done? No, not necessarily. I don't think it's done necessarily. I think it's still possible, despite the fact that what the markets are going on around the world, right? Short term, I'm gonna stick to my plan, right? My plan is I still think Bitcoin's going back to the 200 SMA, right? At the end of the day, right? Nothing has changed. The last 2 days did not change anything. Me, of course, we only go up. Yes? Yes? Retest 25K. 28,600 will be retested. Ronnie said, since you're wasting time, scroll through the previous bear markets and see what coins are still around. Scroll through previous bear markets. Man, I actually isn't there a way to go? I've actually never done this. I've seen other people do this. Is there a way to go back on CoinMarketCap? Someone can help me with this in the chat. I've seen other people do it, but I've never done it myself. There's a way on CoinMarketCap to go back and actually look at certain days back in history. If I remember correctly, here we go. Historical snapshots. Here we go. I've never actually done it before. Let's go back to say, let's see. Let's go back to go back to the weekly time frame just to get a dates here. Let's go back to 2018. Let's go back to freaking. Let's go back to the top here. Let's go back to December 11th. Right around the middle of December. Let's see. In 2017. Let's see. So December. Let's go December 10th. Why not, man? Let's see. It was still around back then. Back arrow. There we go. All right. Let's see who was around. Look at this list. Look at all these shit coins. Holy moly, man. Look at all these Shiza coins. Holy moly, man. Bitcoin and ETH. All right. Bitcoin and ETH still number 1 and number 2. That's not going to change anytime soon. All right. Bitcoin Cash was number 3. Holy moly, man. Bitcoin Cash. What an absolute shit show that coin was. IOTA. What an absolute shit coin that one is. XRP. Wait, 23 cents. Is this the correct date? Yeah, it is. What an absolute Shiza coin, man. XRP. Wait, this is not correct. Why does it say 23 cents? This is not correct. Something's off on this. December 10th, 2017. It says XRP is at 23 cents. Something's off on this, Shiza. Oh, you know why? No. I'm an idiot. Altcoins pumped after Bitcoin did. Bitcoin pumped. Bitcoin started to come back down, and that's when altcoins pumped. Man, I need to go back to school, I guess. XRP with a Shiza coin. Litecoin with a Shiza coin. Dash with a Shiza coin. Look at this shit show of a list, man. Everything besides Bitcoin and ETH is an absolute Shiza coin, man. Then you got Cardano. All right, Cardano. All right, Scott Cardano. Cardano, nice job, man. You did well last bull market. Ethereum Classic. I would still argue with Shiza coin, but it got pumped. The Robinhood has loved pumping the ETH Classic. Neo Shiza coin. XLM Shiza coin. EOS Shiza coin. BitConnect Shiza coin. Populous. Don't even know if it's still around. Waves. All right, Waves. Nice job, Waves. Lisk, Shiza, Stratus, Striza, Mona Coin, Shiza, Zcash, Shiza. I could go down the list, man. Holy moly, what a Shiza list that is. Holy moly, man. All these scraps, even the ones that are still around are still Shiza coins. Anyways, 29,765. That's why alts are a bad buy right now. I would argue it's a different market, right? I would argue that. But Cardano 4X. Yeah, I mean, you gotta remember it was at $3. Link is about the same price. Where's Link? Where's Link? Where's Link? Oh, that's Lisk. That's Lisk. That's not Link. Wait. I don't know if... No. Man, look at how low these market caps are, man. Like, even considering that was a top of, like, a general bull market, it's crazy how low some of those market caps were. But yeah, you get the point, man. Shiza coins. Turn the rank upside down. They got a bunch of ETH in too. How you pooping on XRP? Isn't it still top 10? I mean, yes, but you also got to remember, if you invested in XRP in the last bull market, you barely made anything. Where you can't really say the case with that with Bitcoin and Ethereum, right? The only coin beating XRP right now is BNB. Hey, I would probably add BNB to that list. I'm pretty confident in BNB, man. BNB is just a powerhouse in this space, man. I would argue that now, I know we always say like it's Bitcoin 1, ETH 2, and then everything else. I would argue that you could say it's Bitcoin 1, ETH 2, BNB 3, and then everything else. It's just kind of random gambling, right? I mean, at the end of the day. So, yeah, I would probably say BNB's built a pretty good base, as our good friends would say. I am George. We're all George. Guys, today we're not going to talk about Bitcoin because Bitcoin looks like an absolute shit show after I said it's building a base. But today, we're going to talk about how good of a base that BNB is building as the number 3 crypto in Bitcoin. Or number 3 crypto in crypto. That doesn't make any sense. But anyways, we're going to talk about how good BNB is. Guys, BNB has cemented itself as the number 3 crypto in this space. Okay? If we actually take a look at this tech dev chart right here, tech dev hasn't looked at any charts lately, but if we actually look at this tech dev chart for BNB, let me actually pull it up here. I should have had that prepared, but I didn't. Let me check out BNB right here. You guys can see that BNB is just absolutely killing it right now. Absolutely killing it, building a strong base here, cementing its level as a number 3 crypto. And quite frankly, tech dev, whose charts have worked out tremendously in the past 2 years, is saying that we are in a giant 4-wave where we have one move to the upside, to the downside, to the upside, downside, and then to the upside. Tech dev thinks that we are in a giant 4-wave that is going to bring us back up to the upside for BNB. Tech dev is a very respected analyst in this market, and just does think that we are going into a bull market going into the next couple weeks, guys. Okay, so you got to respect tech dev, but other than that, I'll catch you guys. Well, let's do some Q&A. Let's do some Q&A real quick. Let's do some Q&A. Let's see. Is C double bottom on BNB? Is C double bottom on BNB? I don't know what that means, man. Get out of my chat. What's going on, Dan? All right, let me get off George, man. George, get rid of some people in here. Gotta get rid of everyone here. Everyone. Here comes BNB to the downside. We're breaking support on BNB. Goodbye. 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 Goodbye, BNB. It was nice to know ya. There it goes. Look at that nice little juicy bear flag to the downside in the daily. It was nice to know ya, my friend BNB. It was really, really nice to know ya, my friend. Where are you going to push yourself down to, man? Let's see. Let's go from the top to the bottom here. Let's do a little extrapolation, shall we? It was nice to know ya. Oh, right back down to the lows. How convenient. How convenient, right back down to the lows. It was nice to know ya. Goodbye. 29,619. I can't watch George live. He's too slow. What do you mean he's too slow? You won't convince me? No volume? There, yeah, I know. What is it, 835? Holy moly, man. I'm trying to stay on because Bitcoin looks like it's about to dump again. It's at least going to come back down and take this wick. Right? We get a little wick here on the hourly time frame. It's at least going to come back down and take this wick. Let's actually go to the 15-minute time frame here. Get out of here, man. I do not want Windows 11. Okay? Stop shilling me Windows 11. No one wants that shit. No one liked Windows 10 when it came out. No one wants Windows... Java, stop beeping. No one wants Windows 11. Okay? Stop trying to shill me Windows 11. Freaking Windows, man. Annoying. But yeah, 29,634. Let's see what happens here on BTC. So then we can come back down and take that little wickaroo. Get Windows 11. Does anyone have Windows 11? Does anyone know if Windows 11 is good? Is it worth it? You guys are going to say, oh, stop using Windows, you noob. I like Windows, okay? I like Windows. All right? I don't like Apple. I like Apple products, but I don't like Apple laptops. Okay? I like Windows. Put the 1 minute chart and see that green candle? Holy moly. I think Java might be stuck in his Lambo. Every time I turn on my laptop, it shills 11. It's shilling 11 too much, man. I'm sick of shilling 11. Why do they want to shill Windows 11 so much? Get out of here, man. Just let me use Windows 10. It's like Windows 10, but slightly more annoying. Oh, that's good. Then I won't ever be downloading it then. It's gonna auto update you at some point. Oh, dude, what the hell? I don't want Windows 11. I'm gonna be a Karen. I'm literally gonna call Windows and start being a Karen. Excuse me, is this customer service? Oh my god, this freaking annoying robot thing. Just give me customer service. Oh my god, what am I supposed to... I don't have to press 1, 2, or 3, or 4. It could be any of those options. Customer service. Give me customer service. We're sorry. We did not hear you. Customer service. Please state what you want again clearly into the phone. Customer service. Okay, we heard you now. Here's customer service. Excuse me? You keep shilling me Windows 11. I don't want Windows 11. I want Windows 10. And you better not auto-update me. If you do, I'm going to come down to that headquarters and I'm going to cause an absolute scene in front of your store. Yes, I do not want Windows 11. I swear to God, I will come back down there and I will cause an absolute shitstorm for your company. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Yes, yes, yes. And what's your name? You're being kind of rude. What's your name? What's your name? Oh, you think I'm a Karen? Is that you think I'm a Karen? What is your name so I can complain? No, what is your name? Okay, thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Have a fantastic day. Christ. I hate these people, man. You gotta love the Karens, man. You gotta love the Karens. I My girl just walked in like, what the fuck are you watching? Hey, listen. It is what it is. All right, about that Bitcoin. 29.7, man. I don't know what to tell you. Your robot voices are stutters. Oh, man. That was Ryzen today? Yeah. Oh, God. What was his or her name? Real questions? Karens always demand a name. They do. They do. All right, you guys are still wondering. I'm in a short, man. I'm a pro trader now, right? I am a pro trader. I'm in a short. Not to toot my own horn, but my short-term predictions have been pretty on the point lately. But yeah, listen, I'm a pro trader. I still am in a short. I have not closed my short position because I still think we're going lower. So take that for what you will. I am a pro trader, by the way. I am a certified trader. But yeah, that's kind of what Bitcoin's doing right now, guys. I'm gonna call it a stream, man. There's nothing really that's going on. I'm gonna stream in the AM, Rodney. I'll see you guys. You can be a tad embarrassing. Of course I can. That's why you guys love me, though. All right. I'll catch you guys tomorrow at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Make sure you guys are there. We'll drink some coffee. We'll hang out, have a good time like we usually do in the morning. If I don't catch you there, I'll catch you guys again tomorrow at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Probably going to be, well, it'll be like at least an hour-long stream because we got Celtics Game 1 coming on tomorrow. So catch you guys tomorrow. Let's get hype in the chat for the Celtics. You guys probably don't care. Catch you guys later. All right? Don't panic sell your crypto. Don't do anything I wouldn't do. And don't panic sell yo crypto. Bye-bye.